making complex decisions.
She's capable of making complex decisions.
You are not how society defines you.
You are not how society defines you.
Moana refuses to let the gods dictate her life.
Moana refuses to let the gods dictate her life. Moana shows it's more important to be thoughtful than to be strong. She's constantly underestimated.
Moana has to show perseverance to succeed.
Moana has to show perseverance to succeed. Self-discovery comes whether Moana wants it or not. Moana never falls in love.
No one ever says you're a girl.
No one ever says you're a girl.
Moana disagrees with her family, but they all respect each other.
Moana disagrees with her family, but they all respect each other.
She teaches herself how to do everything.
Moana doesn't do everything perfectly. She is a young person, after all, but in the face of adversity, rather than folding it up and going home or asking someone for help, sailing a boat on it, fighting a giant demigod crab, don't worry about it. Communicating with the spirits of her people to learn their past in order to decide what they should do with their future. She's got it taken care of, y'all.
Moana has no problem being the chief of her people.
The audience is told from the beginning of the film that Moana is next in line to be the chief of her people, and she doesn't spend one moment wringing her hands about whether or not she deserves to be in charge. Perhaps more importantly, no one in her village is suspect of her abilities. It's almost as if they were raised without gender bias beaten into their brains.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in